Want to know how to create an agent or an AI agent through AgentGPT in order to write your blogs and articles? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your AgentGPT website. So right here, you should be under agentgpt.rework.ai by default, and make sure you are logged in. So we have also created various videos regarding AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it. So once you're here, on the leftmost side, you should be seeing templates. You can just simply select that in order to find any article or any blog GPTs that are available. So you can just simply scroll down or just simply search for it. For me, it's right here. So you can just simply select that, and what it does is it should pre-write you your name and the goal of that GPT. So you can just simply write in to modify the code more, and then just simply select play right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. This is how you make an AI write blogs or articles. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.